led course consisting of interactive technical deep dive presentations, live Q&A discussions with your instructor, hands-on lab exercises, and demonstrations on how to configure VMware. It's a 100% hands-on class focused on installing, configuring, and administering VMware's virtual infrastructure. One of the best things is that you can join the class from the comfort of your home or office on a mobile device such as iPad, Android tablet, or Windows computer. You are no longer stuck to your desktop because our training platform runs on most mobile devices. We've got daytime, weekend, or evening classes. It's up to you. You can choose a class that best suits your availability. Okay, let's take a look at what you get when you register for the class. Number 1. Top quality training consisting of anywhere between 30 to 40 hours of technical deep dive presentations. Number 2. 4 days of access to our lab environment so that you can practice installing and configuring VMware virtual infrastructure from scratch. Number 3. Access to the training portal to download the courseware and watch video replays. Number 4. VMware VCP exam preparation workshop. Number 5. Comprehensive courseware consisting of step-by-step lab book and VMware VCP study guide. Join one of our VMware training classes in New York, Los Angeles, Toronto, Houston, Boston, Chicago, Philadelphia, Phoenix, San Antonio, San Diego, Dallas, Seattle, San Jose, San Francisco, Austin, Washington, Vancouver, London, Calgary, Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane, Manchester, Birmingham,